ever.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Okay.
Chase, come on, that doesn't feel good. Come on, buddy, come on. What do you mean no? You can't just, come on. Let's go. Okay.
Давай, піднімай, да, дякую.
Та.
The security system has spoken no touching, and it has fur. Not sure how you carried that up, but must be some real brain work to save the muscles, huh?
Makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet! Oh!
It's a Papa's party. It's a Papa's party.
This cat looks like Spider Cat, about to infiltrate your bathroom.
I do not feel like getting out of the bed.
Can give him pets?
Surrounded by attention seekers, you're cool, boy. Where fur meets funny, get ready for the world's most awkwardly adorable German Shepherd. Bending my spine sometimes is necessary, even if I look hilariously messy doing it.
Dog, I'm sorry. I'll clean it up. Cat, good. Now remember the slap.
She's a mood, a brand, a vibe. Someone get her a modeling contract.
Offenses are considered especially heinous.
Killed my cat. Oh my god, it about gave me a heart attack. I literally thought Eva done killed him. I thought she... Hi, Abigail. Hi. Why do you hate me so much?
My cat must be wondering, are those guys practicing acrobatics? How can they climb walls like that? Cats defy gravity. The ginger cat and the chinchilla seem quite harmonious.
In these fur balls, just you wait and see.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Forget the old tales of cats chasing birds. This cat prefers to make friends instead.
전화.
Утодила ушки так голову облучу. Он прям вообще в зоне.
Oh, goodness. Oh, gosh. Oh, God.
Human, trust me, that comb is literally a spy. His brain is basically 47 browser tabs open at once.
Come here. Come here. Let's get a treat.
How can such a basic move stump the Lord of copy-paste?
Lean aqui, ó. Lean aqui.
Мама, новая пилочка.
Новая.
Блин, ты что, реально пилишь? Федя, ты
I'm looking for a man with 4 legs, toe beans. 1 pound, bites me. 4 legs, toe beans. 1 pound, bites me.
All you need is a frame now and you'd be a masterpiece.
You made me angry. You sit right here and think about it. Don't wiggle. Stay. Listen now, okay?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Hold on, ready?
Diagnosis: too cute to sneeze. Prescription: licking until you feel better.
I need you to promise me that you'll be on your best behavior.
I promised other people that I'd be on my worst behavior. And I gave my word, so.
Don't make me fire you.
This is a high-stakes Olympic final. Kitten is the judge.
This cat is a master of balance, standing on the door frame to manage the whole house.
Hey, are you threatening me right now? Don't blame me when I start mimicking you.
Sasha, what are you doing?
Just called a pooba for a ride across the pool.
Happy one.
You're what?
Ryan.
There will be no foolish wand waving or silly
Something? Okay, let me. Oh! Is it this? Is it your squeaky? Get it, Fred!
Pretty sure that crow is playing a game of lowrider tag.
Party kiddo.
Would you just look at it? Look at it!
Bonding time, but you and your bestie are gossip girls at heart. Real partners do everything together, even at the gym. Entire treasure vault being taken away. Hey, stop right there, Mr. Robot.
The cat not only gets its fur meticulously groomed, but also receives countless loving kisses.
That's about as good as I'm gonna get. Free dog. Come on. Let's go.
Good dog, Gary.
You okay up there?
No.
Hey, stay.
Can you even call yourself a fashionista without snow boots?
Confidently brought the friend inside the house to play. What an unexpected and adorable friendship.
Look at that. Get that in there. Yeah.
Hold on, is that medication in the treats?
And my head hit the wall.
No, 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 no.
That cat found the perfect place, and he clearly found something just as meaningful. The cat sits firmly as if declaring, "This is my spot, and now he's mine too."
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
This cat seems to be studying physics to attack the toy. So cunning and adorable.
Ну дай заберу котенка. Дай мне котенка. Ну дай маме котенка.
Puppy, hey little one, be my friend. I'm super cute.
You want a treat? What do you want? Oh.
Boys.
Talk about being 100% committed to the game.
Torben.
Если хвостики не растрепались, считай, прогулка не удалась.
I'm so beautiful.
You guys do realize that there are dogs that just live outside all the time, right? That are working dogs that have a job. What is your job?
And you'll understand why the betrayal is deeper than the Atlantic.
Huh?
Buster, you are very good.
This dog is living the life I was promised as an adult. When the fireworks start booming,
Up.
Just...
Scratch your back. You scratch mine.
brushes himself off with his back.
When your schedule means nothing to his daily routine,
Now the cat has become his shadow, sticking by. The dog is as happy as if it just got released from house arrest.
Hi. Oh my gosh, you're.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Standing like this means the neighborhood news just got very interesting suddenly.
move on.
Та все тут нормально. Все тут нормально.
You go down the stairs.
Target locked. He knows the scent, and there's nowhere to hide.
Ой, дивіться.
Now that's what I call a foster mom. The golden retriever brings a friend home and they both look like they're plotting to ask for a sleep.
The gravity is just too strong in that specific spot.
Damn! What?
You want to go for a walk?
Such playful energy. This cat is truly enjoying its hunting game with the stick. Those
He's trying to input his order into the touch screen.
Favorite.
Look at her sniffing.
От почистити? Ну давай, вичищай. Свої, я поняла, це вже тобі, вже понятно, вже тобі.
Reggie, don't eat.
Every time.
No rushing, no forcing, just a gentle gaze to let the kitten know it's not alone.
Bak sarılacak şimdi.
This is me exactly 1 second after someone asked me to babysit.
Welcome back to the spot where fur meets funny. Get ready to crack up at some of the most hilarious police dogs on the internet today. Level of weird.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Oh, yeah.
Who needs a snooze button when you have a 4-pound alarm clock?
Don't. Exactly like those hyperactive kids who act tough until someone mentions the doctor.
On to me. Come on.
Is this chonky cat inspecting the stove or just licking everything? Thought no one was watching, huh?
Hey guys, will you be my Valentine's? I'll give you a treat.
Is that your friend?
Winston's acting is too good.
Come on. Oh my fucking god.
Цири, декабрь.
You want to see Big Sister? Here she comes.
Well, that door was clearly just a suggestion.
No, but please.
And the next time they tell you that there are creatures ruder on this planet than a domesticated house cat, come back to this video. This nigga weighed 13 pounds just sitting.
An old dog bowl. That tinkling sound means mischief is brewing.
Proof that he's not a dog. He's a furry hurricane.
We have one little ram lamb that keeps wanting to hang out with the livestock guardian dogs. He might think he is a dog, but he seems to have more fun with them than he does with the lambs, so he's always sneaking away until his mama catches him.
Who could bear to close the door on such an adorable face? The kitten is so persistent, it finally squeezed in.
Hope these smart dogs made you smile.
One day is all it takes to become besties.
Huh?
Let's go. Otto.
Mana mana. Mana mana. Mana mana.
What you do? Get him, Marlo.
How can someone invade my territory and still act this innocent? So annoying.
Look, Brutus is taking those kittens to bed for a nap. What is this world coming to when dogs are caring for kitten? I'll take it.
D'accord.
How about I act cute and you give me ice, human?
Нельзя крупайся снимать.
reality of training a shepherd. 10% of giving instructions, 90% of turning into a cheerleader.
Are you kidding me?
I didn't authorize this laundry day. Give my emotional support toys back.
The cat is enjoying the slow life in the hammock. What a beautiful and relaxing scene.
That's trying to steal their grooming job.
Just keeps growing stronger without needing anything special.
I love my son, but I just be wanting space, bro. Hold on.
A professional mountaineer is reaching the summit of Mount Good Boy. Okay.